So I based the orb itself with Calidor Sky Blue, so I had a good blue base. Okay. I then took an airbrush and took a grayish blue paint called UK Azure Blue, and I shot from the top down and let it overspray down to about here. So I held my brush at an angle and shot down like this. You can actually see the effect there. I came back in with a paint that I've nicknamed GamerDad Blue. It's called Light Sea Blue from Vallejo Model Air. And I hit it even closer down the side here, so it doesn't go as far down the spire. So now you're getting a slight transition in the color. You can see it in some spots, and then you can see it darken. So there's your darkening effect. And then I took white and I hit the top a little bit. Now you can take, so that's the generic way to do it. So you can see it here too. What I did with this, I covered the whole thing again. I started with Calidor Sky Blue because I want that blue base, and then I took that Azure Blue and I kind of just blocked in this entire little quadrant here. And if you look closely, you'll notice there's blue across the bottom here. So I let this overspray, so it kind of makes it look like the light is radiating. And I went down the sides here as well. And then I came in with GamerDad Blue, and I started in the center down here at the bottom and let it just kind of spray its way up so you can see a smooth transition, and then again dabbed it with white. So